Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to extend stay on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. After that, tap on trips or past trips. Find the reservation you want to extend and tap on it. On the trip details page, look for the page that says change reservation or modify reservation. Tap on it, then choose change dates. Pick a new checkout date by tapping the calendar. Airbnb will automatically check if the place is available for the extra days. If it's available, you will see the updated pricing for the extended stay. Once you have selected your now dates, tap send request or submit change. The host will receive your request and can approve or decline it. After sending the request, wait for the host to confirm. Once they accept, you will get a notification and email confirming the new dates and total cost. And that's it. You have just requested to extend your Airbnb stay using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.